If you are facing blackmail on TikTok, the situation can feel immediate, confusing, and overwhelming. Many victims report that threats escalate quickly through comments, direct messages, or reposted content designed to pressure compliance. TikTok reports over 1.5 billion monthly active users globally, which also makes it an attractive platform for harassment, impersonation, and extortion attempts. The good news is that TikTok provides a structured safety center with built-in tools to help users report abuse, restrict harmful accounts, and protect their privacy. Knowing how to use these tools quickly can significantly reduce the impact of a blackmail situation. How the threat works, from contact to coercion. Blackmail on TikTok often begins with a direct message, comment interaction, or off-platform contact initiated through profile links. The attacker may attempt to build trust or create fear by claiming they have access to private content, or by threatening to expose fabricated or real information. Once leverage is established, they may demand money, additional images, or continued communication. This process is designed to create urgency and emotional pressure. Victims often feel trapped because TikTok content is public-facing and easily shareable. However, understanding how TikTok's reporting systems work can help you interrupt this cycle early and regain control. How blackmailers operate on TikTok. Cybercriminals use several methods to initiate and escalate blackmail attempts on TikTok. Many attacks include fake accounts posing as influencers, successful professionals, or potential romantic interests. You may receive direct messages or comments on your public videos. Once contact is initiated, scammers often build rapport by discussing topics they know you are interested in. They learn this from online posts and publicly available information. After a while, they may send phishing links or directly ask you to disclose sensitive information. After they obtain material they can use as leverage, the entire tone shifts. The friendly facade drops and threats to expose compromising or sensitive data are made. In some cases, scammers compromise accounts or create impersonations to confuse friends and followers and perpetuate their scheme. These tactics rely heavily on psychological pressure rather than technical hacking. They manufacture emotional connection and trust to target the individual and coerce them to relinquish access. Speed, visibility, and viral exposure. TikTok blackmail cases are especially harmful because of how quickly content can spread across the platform. A single post or message can be shared, downloaded, or screen recorded within seconds. This creates a sense of urgency that attackers exploit to pressure victims into immediate compliance. Cybersecurity researchers and law enforcement agencies have reported increasing levels of social media-enabled extortion and sextortion activity in recent years. The emotional impact includes fear of public exposure, reputational damage, and loss of control over personal content. Many victims also experience ongoing harassment if the attacker believes they can continue the pressure. Using TikTok's safety tools effectively. If you are being blackmailed on TikTok, take the following steps immediately. Go to the TikTok Safety Center and access the reporting tools for harassment, impersonation, or blackmail. Use the in-app report feature on the offending profile, message, or video to flag the account for investigation. Strengthen your privacy settings by blocking suspicious accounts, restricting unwanted interactions, and limiting messaging, comments, and content visibility to trusted users. Preserve all evidence, including screenshots, usernames, URLs, and threat messages before taking further action. Avoid blocking the blackmailer immediately if preserving evidence is still necessary, as it may eliminate valuable communication records or trigger escalation attempts. Report blackmail threats to your local law enforcement, as well as national departments like the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center in the US. Consider consulting a private cybersecurity firm experienced in TikTok blackmail cases and platform-based extortion investigations for expert assistance. Using platform tools to break the cycle of control. TikTok provides multiple platform resources designed to help users respond to harassment and extortion, but those tools are most effective when used quickly and correctly. The TikTok Safety Center, reporting systems, and privacy controls are designed to interrupt abusive behavior and protect users from ongoing harm. When combined with careful evidence preservation and professional support, they can significantly reduce the impact of a blackmail attempt. Blackmail.HelpLine is dedicated to helping victims of cybercrime across all internet platforms collect, preserve, and analyze digital evidence. This data may contain identifiable factors that can help support investigation efforts and legal action. Beyond this, the team at Blackmail.HelpLine can help you strengthen your online security and mitigate the risk of repeat attacks. If you ever fall victim to TikTok blackmail, you can count on the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.